Hello guys, for this problem we are asked to find the angle given the value of the sine of that angle, right? So here we are given the interval and we are given the value of the sine theta, and we are asked to find what is the value of theta. How do we do that? So first of all, you need to know that the values of sine and the values of cosine, both of these are bounded between, let me say, between -1 and 1. You see, you cannot go above that. So here this point will be 1 0, right? X1 y0. This one is x0 y1, go -1 0. Now here it's 0 and -1, correct? Okay, so now that we have these, so another information that we need to know regarding the values when you're trying to locate a point based on the given information that you have of the sine of that angle, you need to know like where is the location of the point. And to detect that, the information you need to know is that for sine theta, you need to look for the y value. For the cosine theta, you have to look at the x value, right? So here we see that the information tells us that the sine is 0.62 blah blah blah, right? So that means that we're looking at the y value. So if we look at this right here, this will be negative, right? So that means that we need to look up right here because that's where y is positive. And the y is positive is 0.62, which means it passes 0.5, right? This is 1, this is 0.05, so 0.6 should probably be somewhere here. So what does that mean? It means that our point will be right either here or here, right? So which points do we choose? So in order to find which point do we choose, we need another information. And here we are told that the interval is from 0 to 90 degrees, right? So we always know that this is our 0 degrees. The 90 degrees is right here. So we are told that our point is actually in the first quadrant, right? So because it's already in the first quadrant, that means that this is the point that is valid, right? This one will not be valid because it's not between these. And then how do we solve? Now that we know it's in the first quadrant, that's good to know. So we can just now plug this into the calculator. It's gonna be arc sine, or the inverse sine of the value given. And if you put that into the calculator, you should get roughly a theta of 38.87 degrees. And we know that this is the answer, and it's the correct answer because it is between the interval 0 degrees to 90 degrees.